Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to get in the game. We're gonna make some smoked Cajun wings. I know it's football season. Hey, you gotta have some wings on your menu. So let me get you in the game. I'm gonna show you how to prepare them so you can get them on that smoker and then in turn put them on your table for game day. Hey, let's get in the game. If you like to keep these whole, you can. I'll be honest with you. Hey, they be taxing us a couple of different ways. First off, a chicken wing is just right here keeping it whole, but then they charging us to cut it, and then they charging us by piece. Now, if you like, you know what I'm saying, your wings like party style with the drums and the flats separated, save you a little bit of money, get the whole wing, and then hey, cut these wing tips off right here, and then you can save these for a nice custom chicken broth recipe that'll be absolutely delicious. Now, all you really got to do is, if you want to cut them yourself, just bend it a little bit and then find that joint, and then that joint would be easy to cut through like that. You got your wing tip, and then again you go down to the joint of that drum and that flat, and then you just make a cut like that, and then you in the game. You got your wings separated, save a little money, you in the game. Now it's football season. If you want to see a replay of that, how to do it, get your knife and then go just like that on the seam of that wing tip, and then you go right in that seam of that drum and that flat. And then if you get a piece like this that you might have like a little bone fragment, just tear that off, throw it away so nobody's chomping on that. Before we go in the smoker, I'm gonna hit these chicken wings with just a little bit of cornstarch before I season them up. So this is probably gonna be about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I don't need a lot. It's just gonna help it, you know, crisp up in the end process when we increase our temperature. And I'm just gonna get everything rubbed in together and let it adhere to that skin of that chicken. I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of paprika just to give it a little bit of color. This is Hungarian style paprika. It's a little bit brighter red color. I use this in gravies and stuff like that to give me a little deeper color. And then my seasoning of choice for these wings today is gonna be my baptizing Cajun seasoning, because I want a little bite on my smoked wings. Go with the seasoning of choice, if whatever you like. Now, if you don't have a bottle, you want to try this seasoning out, hey, go to my website, cookingwithmanualfocus.com, and you can go get it 25% off. I'm telling you, you can put this on anything. Put it on fries, put it on steak, put it on chicken, put it on seafood, whatever you want. I'm telling you, you'll be in the game. So we're gonna get everything mixed in. These seasonings, that paprika, we're gonna hit it with an initial coat, get everything worked around. And so I'm gonna season this a couple times because I'm not seasoning it generously in this stage, right? So I'm gonna hit it again when I get it on the grill. So I just give it a couple initial, you know, dustings of paprika and then my seasoning. We're gonna go out to that smoker. Initially, we're gonna go about 275, let that roll for about 30-45 minutes, and then we're gonna crank up that temperature to get that skin where we want it to be, and then we'll be in the game. So we're out here at the smoker. We're gonna go ahead and get these wings on the smoker. I like to put my drums by the firebox, let them get a little head start on my flats. Now, also too, in the middle of the cook, if you need to move these around, you can definitely do so. Don't be afraid to adjust as you cook, and then give your wings enough space so that airflow can go up and over these wings that smoke. And then once we got everything situated, we're gonna come back, like I said, hit it with our final seasoning, and we're gonna let this top down because you already know if you're looking, you ain't cooking. All right, so we're about an hour in. take a look at these wings right here. Hey, they look pretty good. They got a nice little smoke on them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate these around just a little bit, and then I'm gonna increase the heat on them so we can get these ready, get them crispy. Now, I'm gonna note, your flats are always gonna come off a little bit quicker than your drums. So you have to remove these first, and then you'll let these cook just a little while longer. I got me a little cooking spray, and I'm gonna spray these wings. And this is gonna help that skin crisp. They gonna look good, fam. So I'm gonna move these around just a tad where I see some of them starting to darken quicker. Some of them may be a little bit lighter. All right, we're gonna bump that temp up, add some more wood, get this thing super hot, and we're gonna be in the game. All right, fam. Hey, check this out. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and take these flats off first, but take a look at this right here. Nice little color. Got some nice smoke flavor on it. Yes, sir, we in the game. I'm gonna let my drums go a little bit longer. Hey, but they look good and they smell delicious, fam. All right, fam, there you have it. I got you in the game. Hey, it's football season, and you already know your boy, the coach, got to do some wings. Now, it's been a while since I've been on that smoker, but check out this plate right here. Now, these all flats. I'm still waiting on those drums to come off, but don't those look absolutely delicious? Cajun style smoked wings. We got to give this a taste test, and cheers, fam. Hey, they sit a little bit hot, but that's how I like my wings. Hot. Now that seasoning can give you a little bite of spice, and then you got a little kiss of that smoke. Hey, you in the game. And gotta finish it off because you can't, you know what I'm saying, you can't mess with them wings now. That's good right there. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take the time out and say thank you so much for stopping by, watching the video, and hanging out with your boy, Coach Ike. Now, don't be a stranger. Hey, leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Now, for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, hey, thank you guys so much. You guys already share the videos out, and you already know what your boy, the coach, got to do. Hey, I got to get back in the game, smash those spicy smoked Cajun wings, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, we're in the game.